Greetings, friends. I'm very delighted and honored to be in your presence this morning. Today, I would like to share some deep truths of life with you, so please pay attention. Please, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel. Also, like, share, and comment on our videos. We love you. Stop calling yourself lazy. That word is destroying you. Because lazy people don't feel guilt. Lazy people don't feel frustration at night. You're undisciplined. And that's painful to hear, but powerful to understand. Because laziness is a dead end. Discipline is a skill, and skills can be trained. Think about this. How many times have you promised yourself, tomorrow I'll change, only to break that promise again? Every broken promise doesn't just waste time, it slowly destroys your self-trust. And without self-trust, motivation dies. Discipline is not waking up early. Discipline is not grinding on those spots you said you would do even when nobody's watching, especially then. Here's how you fix it. First, stop aiming for massive change. That's ego, not growth. Discipline is built through small, boring, repeatable actions. 5 minutes, 1 page, 1 task, daily. Consistency beats intensity every time. Second, remove choice. Every decision drains you. Same wake up time, same work window, same routine. Discipline thrives where decisions disappear. One thing you should not forget is that your future self is watching you right now. Not judging, but begging you not to quit again. Begging you to keep just this one promise today. You're not lazy, you're undisciplined. And discipline isn't punishment, it's self-respect. There is an adage that says, whatever you have resolved in your mind to do, do it quickly. There's also an adage that says, postpone not till the evening what the morning may achieve. Ideas are like seed forces seeking to manifest. So don't be surprised to see, when walking in the street one day, that someone else is already doing what you have been postponing to do. Life is dynamic, it waits for no one. It is said that the journey of 1,000 kilometers starts with a step. Take that bold first step now. Start small. And remember not to break the promise to your future self, that better version of you. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Also like, share, and comment on our videos. Bye for now.